So I mixed up some more paints, and actually what I'm going to do now is attempt some Dutch pours. One here and one down in the far corner, and see how it goes. So I'm going to start with my dark. I'll put there. And then the lighter blue. Copper. Excuse me. Green. And red. There we go. I'll get rid of those. And we'll put white around it. Now, where did my white go to? It's right here. I'm just going to pour some white just kind of right around that way. Just on one side. And then I'm going to use my hair dryer. There we go. And I'm just going to that did. Okay. That looks really cool. And I'm not just saying it, you know, because it's mine. I'm saying it because I think it's really cool. Now I'm going to take this down here, my little tray of goodies. Seems to be the only thing that I bake on these days. I use my, I'm going to put this here. And this here. She's moving around. Doot, 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 doot. And then I put the green down. You can't see any of this. I'm doing it in behind the table. Behind the chair. Sorry guys. I wonder if I can move that chair off to the side a little bit might help. Okay? What do you think? If I were to move it like there. I'm just kind of sorry guys, and I look absolutely horrible today because, oh, now I'm going to get paint on my, that's my hand. If any of you are palm readers, you could take a quick look. There, okay, here's my puddle. And now I'm going to put the white around it. And hope for the best, she says. Hope for the best. There's white right there. That's all I need. Now, my hair dryer. Not to run the cord right through the paint. Anyway, I'll make it work. I need more light on there, don't I? Maybe not. There we go. There we go, Alright. There we go, folks. I think that's pretty good. I think I got a lot of paint on there. I need to kind of maybe blow some of it off. There we go. My socks are covered in paint. There we go. Wow. So this is in the hot. I haven't got it on heat. I've got actually the cold air blowing from the heat gun, or from the hair dryer. Because I don't want it to dry it right now. I want it to just move it around. That's what I want to do. Well, okay, except for one more torch to get rid of the rest of the bubbles. Or try to get rid of the rest of the bubbles. I think it's done. Not sure what to make of it all, but it sure looks better than it did, which was crappy white. There we go, folks. I'm just going to take that tape off. Let it drip. Put the plastic in anyway, so that's good. Excuse me. This tape that I used was absolute crap. Drove drove me crazy trying to get it on. My husband bought it from the dollar store, so needless to say, it didn't, oh, that's going to get covered, isn't it? I don't know. Ooh, knock, knock. I need to leave that on there. I need to leave that on there. I'm just going to leave it like that, actually. There we go. Not bad. I'm going to tip it some more too because, well, leave that on there. Leave that on there, don't we, folks? The hardware, you know. Leave the tape on the hardware. I'm going to cover that up there. And I think that looks like a little spooch there that needs to be fixed. And this didn't come all the way down to the end. So I think what I'll do is I'll just tip it and then to each end and see how it goes. So I'm going to start with this end. You may not be able to see it, I don't know. Just kind of take it over the edge a bit. Like that. This is so much fun. I highly recommend it. That worked beautifully, actually. Ooh, I need my paintbrush. Where to put that? It's over here. Because this is what I used last night. I just put a nice coat on it last night. So now I'm going to go around and just kind of smush it back on, eh? Yeah. There we go. Just like that. Just going around, cleaning up the edges, using the paint that's falling down here to match up with the paint that's on the top. That copper is absolutely Americano decor. It is absolutely beautiful. It's got a real iridescent shimmer to it. And when I'm done this, I shall take the camera down and show you the creation I've made. That sounded stupid. That's okay. I'm allowed to have my moments, aren't I? There we go. This is just freaking awesome. My niece should have been here for this. She was going to help me, but we were worried that there was going to be a storm coming, so she couldn't come down on the weekend. And this I've been wanting to do for quite a long time, so she can help me with another door, which I'm sure she won't mind doing at all, because she's a really good niece. She's a lovely, lovely, lovely young woman. Now, when I was looking on YouTube, because I thought, I know I wanted to do a door, but I didn't know exactly what to do. I didn't, you know, I had kind of an idea, but I wanted to see if anybody else had done it. So I started Googling, and I found the Diet Expert. And her name I will put in the description with the name of her channel so that you can have a look at it. Smart lady, quite like her. She's got tattoos. She can't be all bad. Can't be all bad. Anyway, yeah, so I'll because I know her name, but you know what? I don't want to say it because I know I won't be saying it correctly. So if you're watching, could you tell me how to pronounce your name so I can say it? Otherwise, I'm just gonna, I will for sure put it in the description though, because you helped me a lot with this. It was basically, you know, it was just like, for me to see somebody else doing it made the whole difference in the world. I thought, okay, now I can do this. I can do this. If she can do this, I can do this. That's how I learned to dive, actually. It's when I think I was 10 or 11 years old. I was at the swimming pool, and I couldn't dive. And this girl walked up, younger than me, and I said, if she dives off that diving board, I'm going to dive. Damn it, didn't she dive off that freaking diving board? So I got up, and I took my steps, and I did it. I dove for the first time, and I have to say, it was a good one because it was a nice dive. I didn't belly flop. Whee! So this was my dive into a very large piece. And I put silicone throughout it. And I think my little foster son is going to absolutely love this. And I plan on doing all of my doors. It's a lot nicer to look at than crappy old white. Anyway, let me take you down, turn it around here so I can see what I'm showing you. Yeah. It looks awesome. Oh my gosh. Look at that, eh? Yeah. Now that's a fancy door. So the diet expert, she does acrylic painting as well, acrylic pouring. And she did a couple of doors with her son. So check out her channel. Like I said, I'm going to put her name and the channel's name in my description. And I'm going to let this dry and see what happens. Have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.